There's an easy and natural way to stop snoring, but nobody knows it. You should definitely try this recipe. Hey guys, how are you today? Well, before we start with this video and show you how to make the best homemade remedy against snoring, I would like to ask you a simple question. Do you know what's the main cause of snoring? That's what you need to know. The medical expert claim that one of the main things that causes snoring is excess mucus, and this means one thing: if we reduce the amount of mucus from the airways, this means that we will be able to reduce, even prevent snoring. Well, you shouldn't worry, because there is an easy way to prevent and stop this bad habit. In this video, we are going to show you how to make this miraculous remedy. It works like a charm. You will be amazed by the result. Trust me, it's very simple. All you have to make a homemade drink and drink it before you go to sleep every night. This homemade juice will help you to eliminate the mucus, which is one of the main reasons for snoring. And don't forget, this is also very important. Make sure you use organic fruit and vegetables, because they don't contain harmful chemicals and pesticides that other products have. You will need the following ingredient: half cup of water, 1/4 lemon, 1 pieces of ginger, 2 apple, 2 carrot. Directions: it is very simple. You just have to put all the ingredients in a blender and blend until you get nice and homogeneous mixture. And make sure you drink this homemade juice few hours before you go to sleep. You need to drink this anti-snoring juice, but you should also be careful and avoid certain types of food, because this will make the condition even worse. There are food and drink you must avoid. Don't eat food that are hard to digest. Make sure you avoid consuming processed foods and drink. Don't drink too much alcohol. And yes, you should avoid fried food. Avoid eating too much chocolate.